Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani. We're going to be trying dip powders from Night Owl Dips to create a fun spring mani. And the first color here, it's called Going Crazy. Now this is a glitter dip powder. It's a fine shimmer and it's a mixture of those mint green glitters, and then it has like pink glitter in there as well. It kind of looks a little hot pink depending on how the light hits it, and it's super pretty paired with Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is a mint green base as well, and then it has foils of green, blue, and pink in there, and these two colors here are giving me all these like floral bouquet kind of like spring vibes, and I'm totally here for these colors right now. So for today's mani, we are going to be dipping on some shorties. I do not have any builder gel or anything like that on the nails. Those are my natural nails. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
didn't give up.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think these colors are perfect for the upcoming spring Easter season. There's just something about this tone of green that has me thinking spring. So these powders are really easy to work with, and I really like those foils. I had no issue with any of those foils bleeding into the dip powder when I was using the liquid, so that is definitely a plus. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.